The Hoover HU500 Reach Pets Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner has been specifically designed for power, agility and for tackling homes with pets. It's really easy to use, featuring a swivel floor nozzle to help it glide around your home effortlessly. You can also switch on the brush bar when vacuuming carpets for a deep clean, and by sliding the vent cover you can adjust the suction too. It's got a long 10-meter cord, a 4.5-meter stretch hose, and together with its selection of accessories you can get up to 15 meters of reach, so it's ideal for cleaning all around your home. There are some impressive features too. With its multi-cyclonic technology, you'll get improved dust separation, and because it pushes the dust away from the filter, it makes emptying quick, easy and much more hygienic. With tools stored on board, you're spoiled for choice, as this vacuum comes with a 2-in-1 dusting brush and crevice tool, extension tube and a long crevice tool too. This Pets model is the perfect model for cleaning up after pets, as it also includes a turbo brush, which loosens and lifts stubborn pet hair. The HU500 Reach Pets will be able to tackle all your cleaning needs.